Hello everyone, today we will be making a straw roller coaster. What you will need: 10 straws, 6 long skewers, 9 short skewers, 6 spacers, tape, scissors, a ping pong ball, and construction paper. Step 1. We're going to make the triangles for the base of our roller coaster. Use small skewers and tape. Make a triangle and tape all of the corners. I found it easier to place the tape on the skewers while they are on the table and then wrapping it around. Repeat this step as many times as needed depending on the amount of bases you are making. Step 2. We are going to complete the bases for our roller coaster. You will need tape, our triangles from step 1, and long skewers. Place the long skewers in the corners of the triangle and connect them with the tape. The bases need to be able to balance your roller coaster, so make sure to align the skewers with the triangle. Once you're done taping 3 long skewers, gather them together and tape them. It should look like this. You're doing great! Repeat this step and make all of the bases you will need for your roller coaster. You can get creative and make different size bases like this. Step 3. We are now making the tracks. You will need straws and tape. Tape your straws together to make a straight line. Do this several times. One piece of track needs a total of 4 straws. Now that we have our straws taped together, we are going to use our spacers to complete our tracks. Place the spacers every 4 to 6 inches and tape them down. Repeat this step for all the tracks you will need. Reminder: it's important to make sure the ball cannot fall through the tracks, so try to place the straws only an inch apart. Step 4. Bend the track to make a hill for your roller coaster. Then tape the hill track to a straight piece of track just like this. Step 5. Tape the bases to the tracks. I'm using a long base for the top of the hill and a short base for the bottom of the hill. Repeat this step as many times as needed depending on the size of your roller coaster. Step 6. Set up your roller coaster. You may need a box to elevate it. Step 7. Test your roller coaster using a ping pong ball. Helpful tips: use construction paper to help prevent your ping pong ball from escaping. The final result. Thanks for watching!